You see, we say that the purpose of religion is not to scare anybody. As I have already told you, there are two purposes for which the founder of the Ahmadiyya movement appeared. To revive the true teaching of Islam. And the basis of the two teachings are to make the people realize their duties they owe to their Creator, and secondly, to make them realize their duties they owe to their fellow beings. So, if you know these two duties, then there is no need to fear us. We are not going to force. We preach. We do not say that you must accept, otherwise we shall do this or that. We are not that type of fanatic mullahs or miscreants who are disturbing the peace of the society. We say we must live peacefully and we respect each other. Quran says that you must respect the religion of each other. It says that you should not even use any bad language against the idols of the idol worshippers, because they will, in retaliation, use the same language against Allah, the Almighty, your God. And that means you are going to be the cause of that language. So respect even those people and do not speak ill of any person, any deity of any religion.